Low mileage, luxury features, and seamless accessibility. This 2014 Honda Odyssey Touring is in a class of its own. With only a little over 20,000 miles, this is a rare opportunity to own a premium mobility van that still feels like new, built for long-term reliability and everyday comfort. This Odyssey is equipped with a VMI Northstar automatic side entry in-floor ramp. It deploys smoothly for easy access and then disappears beneath the floor, keeping the interior open, clean, and easy to navigate. This van is designed to comfortably accommodate a wide range of wheelchairs and power chairs. As a touring model, this van takes comfort to the next level. The gray leather interior gives it a refined, upscale feel, while the sunroof brings in natural light and enhances every drive. You also get removable driver and passenger seats, giving you the flexibility to configure the van for riding, transferring, or even driving from the wheelchair position. Powered by Honda's trusted 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Odyssey delivers a smooth, quiet ride with the reliability Honda is known for. So if you're looking for a mobility van that delivers luxury, flexibility, and ultra-low mileage, this 2024 Honda Odyssey Touring is a rare find that checks every box. Call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com to learn more. Let's get you into something exceptional.